Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be talking about Google Maps. You know that you can be in a place but don't know how to navigate so many places and all. So today let's check out Google Maps. So before you use it, you need to put on your data and your location. Once you put on your location and your data, then go to your apps and open Maps. You see it, this is how it looks. Just open Maps. So when you open it, it's going to look like this. You can search, just go on the search bar and type for a particular place. For instance, I'm in Owerri as at the point of recording this video. So I'm going to search for Wedra Junction. As if I'm going there. I'm already in a bus. So this blue icon is showing where I am, and it needs data to be on. Yes, so once you click on start, it's going to just show you, like, if it's bike, it's going to show you how many minutes. If it's leg or bus, it's going to show you how many minutes you can take to get there. Then this is the route that you can follow, and this place that is red, this red location icon, is the place you are going to. So because I'm in a bus, I was stopped at a place that is not there, so I just need to use leg and complete the journey. Yes, I just use leg and trek to the place I'm going to. So apart from that, you can use it to search for maybe restaurants or food food and drink. You can use it to search for services, different forms of services. So once I just click on, maybe for instance, I'm looking for things to do, I'm looking for food, I'm looking for hotels, it's going to automatically detect your location and also detect hotels that are around that place. For instance, now it's showing me hotels in Owerri environment, and the funny thing is that it's even showing me if it's 3-star hotel or 2-star, and it's also showing like the amounts per night. Like you can see 5,000 naira, 11,000, 21,000 for different hotels. That means the money you're going to pay per night that you spend in that place. So Google Map is a web-based mapping service that is developed by Google. It's used for navigation, location-based services, exploring the world virtually. You can be in a place and feel that you know that place, but just try and search for something on Google Maps. It's going to show you more than what you know. Although, like, it's web-based, it may not be 100% accurate, in that some locations might have like more than one route to get there. Yes, so you're not expecting it to show you all the shortcuts and all, but it can be trusted to an extent. So that's what I wanted you to understand. Apart from hotels, you can also search for restaurants. That's to know the kind of restaurants you have around you, the kind of food that they have. You can also search for the groceries, the places like supermarkets where you can buy things, where you can buy different kinds of things that you need daily, supplies and all. Apart from that, can also search for gas stations or ATM centers where you can get financial services. So for this one now, which is restaurants I'm searching for, I have the option of filtering it. Like, I can decide to choose restaurants that provide seafood or Chinese food or Indian cuisines, and all of that. So I can just choose the filters and apply. Once I apply, it's going to bring out just the ones that do that particular thing. And it will also, if you want, it will also show you how to get there. So like I said, you can check for gas stations around you if you want to top up gas on your vehicle. You can also check for ATM services. So it's also important to know about all this and to use them if you have not used it before. So apart from getting the gas stations, you can also search for movies, cinemas, if you want to relax and cool off a bit. Then it will dictate your location and show you the nearest or the ones available. Then apart from that, like I said earlier too, you can also search for ATMs. Maybe it will show you banks around, and even if there are no banks, it will show you the closest ATMs based on your location. So that's about the service. There are other services that you can check out, like the pharmacies, dry cleaning, car wash, and all. You can check them out. Just search for any services you're looking for, and they would dictate your location and then show you where those services can be obtained. So that's that about that. Then I'm going to search for another place like international Sam Mbako International Airport. So I'm already on my way to that side, although I'm going to just pass it. I'm not going to stop. So but I'm trying to show you how it's going to dictate how many kilometers I am away from the airport, and how many minutes it's going to take me to get to that place. So, and because I like I said, I'm already in a bus passing that route, so my bus is going to pass and it's going to say something. You can see the airport road sign that is showing me that I'm supposed to turn left. I'm supposed to turn left by right, but my bus is going to just go straight and pass that airport road and go towards Abaowe Express Road, which is this AC's route that I'm going. So, and once we pass there, it's going to show me something like what is it called? That I'm supposed to turn again, like a rerouting sign, because I've missed my location. So it's interactive in the sense that apart from the fact it's going to tell you like you have 10 minutes to get there or what, it's going to also talk, speak out, like saying that turn right, or like because I'm recording, I can't tell you what it said, but it gave me another option to move a little bit and turn so that I can follow the right path. Because like I said, as this map is showing, the yellow road is showing the express road, but the express road is not the only road there is to this, to the airport. There are other track roads, like as you can see, there are other track roads, there are buildings and all in all these places. So there are homesteads, there are village routes and all. So but it has given me another option that I would get to this place, that there is an arrow, and I will now turn right. And when I turn right, I will be able to come back to the express road, which is the AC's road, and get back to the Suobiangu road, which is the airport road here in Owerri. So like I said, it's interactive. Not only is it interactive, it can lead you to your place. It can also mislead you. It can also mislead you because I say that it's a web-based stuff, so it's not 100% accurate. Not 100% accurate. So I've passed that route and I'm going to go to another place that is called Okwala Junction. So which is they're telling me that for if I'm using bus or taxi 12 minutes, I'm using like how can I use like to walk such a distance? I don't understand these people. So but anyways, it's going to show you that if you're using like you are going to stay a particular number of hours on the road, and as you navigate that route, it's going to be showing you different junctions that you will pass, which for me, people were alighting at different junctions, so sometimes we spent more time than we were supposed to in a particular junction. Consider saying 18 minutes slower and all. Some of these points are the points that we stopped for someone to alight. So although I increased the timing, because if I was to just record all the location, it's going to take a lot of time. And you have to also note that because I'm in a bus recording this, I'm not using leg. There are some junctions I'm supposed to stop at that the bus will not stop me exactly at that junction. Instead, it would stop me at the motor park. So, for instance, this Okpala junction is supposed to be somewhere down, but the bus is just going to stop me at the motor park. So I would use leg and do what, and continue the rest. So I'm also going to search for a place that I would use leg to go to. Like I said, you can share your live location to someone. You can just click on call and it will show you the phone number of those people. Like, this is a public service, so I'll be able to access their phone number. This is overview of the place, their PNB box, the reviews that people have given about them is also here. Recent updates about this place, say it's old and looks abandoned. So recent updates about this place will also be available here. And also you'd be able to just walk to that place and do what you want to do. But because it's a police station, sorry, I'm not going to walk into it. I'm just going to pass by it. So I'm working with my phone and it's not straight, so you can see that's why it's turning. And at the beginning, I went to somewhere that is not the particular route I'm supposed to follow. So this is why my screen is showing all of this. But I believe so far you've understood what I'm trying to say and what I'm trying to explain. That once you click on start, the blue sign is going to show you how to navigate, while the red place is your location where you are going to exactly. So far so good. I don't know if you learned anything from this tutorial. If you have any questions, I would like to take them in the comment section. If you liked this video, kindly like it. If you enjoyed this video, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, for more videos like this on your smartphone. Like, you can also check out all other of my videos. I have videos on how to download videos online from YouTube, Facebook. I have videos on how to use ChatGPT, how to reduce file size, like compress your file size. I have videos on how to do video editing. I have video on how to use Canva, Snapseed. I have video on how to do other things, how to create an AI picture of yourself, how to cancel subscription on Google Play Store. So many videos are available for you on my YouTube channel, even shorts, how to convert videos to audio like in minutes and you save space on your device, how to do one or two things, how to use the MixLR app, how to use a Google Scan on your phone. So this is where I'm going to end this video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.